I am starting off with a 24-ounce plump from the Still Magnolia. I will be sanding and painting it white. Mix up just a tiny bit of epoxy, approximately 5 milliliters, and we're going to spread that on very thinly to our cup. I kind of press my hand onto the cup fairly hard and just spread it all over. We're going to be using the glitter Snowy Opal for our base. So just sprinkle that all over the epoxy until you get full coverage. Once that epoxy has dried for a couple of hours, we're going to epoxy our cup until it's smooth. Using a water-based marker, I am just drawing out where I want my geode on my cup. I start with the outer edge and then work in. Once you get that all drawn out the way you'd like it, I'm going to take the Decal Foil Duo adhesive and I'm just going to apply that to the section that I want the first color of foil to go. Once that foil adhesive has dried clear, it's time to apply your foils. I got mine from Southern Belle Glitter, and I chose this really cute gray and black little tiny leopard spots. I'm just going to apply it really firmly with my finger, and then just to ensure it's adhered really well, I'll take my vinyl squeegee and burnish it down a little bit. Once you feel as that has adhered really well, you can peel that section up and move on to the next section. Now moving on to the next section that you want your foils in, reapply that foil adhesive and let dry until clear, and then apply your next color of foil. I went with this really cute zebra holographic I also got from Southern Belle Glitter. Once you get this side of your geode done, flip your cup over and do the exact same thing to the other side. Now I'll be taking some white paint. I am using chalk paint, but you can use acrylic paint also, and mixing in a little bit of Mod Podge to apply that to the center of our geode. And then we are going to take this super pretty opal color called Glacier and apply that over that paint Mod Podge mixture while it's still wet. Now we are moving on to the next section of our geode. I chose this color Breakfast at Tiffany's from Miss Lillian's, and I'm just going to mix that into a little bit of Mod Podge. We will paint that on our cup, and then I'm going to use one of my all-time favorite glitters called Eye Candy. Now moving on to our final section of our geode, which is the top section. I'm going to use Pop of Colors Hot Pink, mix that into a little bit of Mod Podge, paint that on our cup, and add the glitter Let's Kiss. For some reason, I didn't record myself applying glitter, but you pros know what to do. But the beautiful color that I used is called Let's Kiss. Do these exact same steps on the other side of your cup, let it dry, and then you're going to spray seal this cup really well, and then you're going to add a layer of epoxy. Once your epoxy has dried, we're going to outline our geode. I went with these really awesome acrylic paint markers from the Hippie Crafter. I chose these 3 colors, and we're just going to go in between each section of our geode and give it a good clean outline. Once again, you're going to want to do this step to the other side of your cup, and then you can add your decal. I'm placing mine in between the 2 geodes where there's a gap, and I just went with a simple 1-word fine line in silver so it wasn't too overpowering to the design. And here is our tumbler all finished. I am a total sucker for a beautiful geode, and I think the foils just took this one to a whole nother level. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like more tips and tricks, join my Facebook group with the link in the description. And if you are ready to take your tumbler making skills to the next level, I offer exclusive tutorials to my Patreon group. If you would like to join us, the link is also in the description. Don't forget to look for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust, and thanks so much for watching.